Good Monday morning, August the 12th, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather. We got a lot to talk about in today's outlook. We got some rain chances, potentially some rain chances as we go throughout the day today. Today's outlook, and sadly, the heat returns. We take a look at that in the 6-day forecast. But once again, big thanks as always to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, and Tanner Energy and Nutrition for helping us get this information to you guys. Make sure to check them out on Facebook and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And once again, welcome back to another daily outlook here for August the 12th. We're going to start off by taking a look at current conditions right after this. Starting off today's outlook by taking a look at current conditions across the area here as of 9 a.m. here. You can see temperatures still in the 60s up here around the Mena area, Mount Ida area, and Hot Springs area is already in the 70s. Lower 70s down here near Arkadelphia, DeQueen, but as you go a little further south, Camden's still in the lower 70s, but down here near Texarkana, Magnolia, and El Dorado, they're already in the mid to upper 70s. You can see on radar we have some small rain chances, some small scattered rain chances across the area, some over here near Hot Springs, some light showers off over here just scattered throughout the area. Most of these rain chances are going to continue throughout the day. This whole system is drifting at a southeast direction, so as that occurs, more rain chances could be possible. Not going to rule out a thunderstorm or two. You can see off over here in Oklahoma, we do have a few thunderstorms, and we'll have to see what happens with this, but I do think rain chances are probably highest throughout the day, and we'll show you this in a graphic here shortly. I think rain chances are going to be highest today, probably in this general area. Elsewhere, you could still have some rain chances, but I really think the biggest chance for rain is going to be across that northern portions of our coverage area as we go throughout the day today. Taking a look now at satellite. Satellite is showing you basically the story. Cloudy skies across the area, few peaks of sun. That trend's going to continue throughout the day. Partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies. Look like a possibility throughout the day. You can see this whole system is shifting to the south here at this current time. That trend is going to continue throughout the day today. Forecasted highs, well, we'll talk about all that here in just a minute for the rest of your daily forecast here in just a moment. So taking a look at today's forecasted highs, you can see across the area there's going to be a little bit of a range where we have those rain chances at. You're going to see forecasted highs potentially in the 80s continuing throughout today here for another day with highs in the mid to upper 80s in that area. But as you go a little further south where those rain chances get smaller, you could see temperatures get up into the mid, maybe even upper 90s. I think the mid 90s looks likely across the area here today with those forecasted highs maybe reaching 96 near the Texarkana area, lower 90s in the DeQueen, Arkadelphia, Sheridan, and Nashville area and Hope areas. But as you go a little further south, they get into the mid 90s down there in that area as well, while mid 80s could be possible, mid to upper 80s could be possible in the Mena, Mount Ida, Hot Springs, Glenwood area, maybe even the Derricks and Umpire areas as we go throughout the day today. Taking a look at overnight lows, you're going to see overnight lows in the basically around 70 degrees and in the lower 70s across the area, near the mid 70s down there near Ashdown in the Texarkana area as we progress throughout the day today. Taking a look now real quickly here at rain chances, you can see rain chances or forecasted rain chances here across the area are going to be highest around that Mena area where you're currently seeing rain right now. Mena, 50% chance, and then as you go a little further to the east and south, DeQueen, Glenwood, Hot Springs, Mount Ida, 40% chance. Nashville, Arkadelphia, Malvern area, 30% chance. Then as you go a little further south, you get down there to Sheridan, Hope, Ashdown, Texarkana, Camden, Fordyce, Magnolia, around 20%. Maybe even down to 10% down there near the El Dorado area as we progress throughout the day. So some small rain chances. Rain chances continue to look highest, though, in the northern portions of the coverage area, a lot like how we seen yesterday. And that trend's going to look to continue throughout the day today. But we'll talk about what we got in store for the rest of this week. The heat returns coming here shortly in the 6-day forecast here in just a moment. Taking a look at the rest of the 6-day forecast, you can see hot, humid conditions return. Summer is here. Probably going to see the 100-degree temperature range as we head into this week, maybe even reaching the lower hundreds across portions of the area as we head into this weekend. But once again, tomorrow we do have some rain chances continuing. A 20% rain chance, I think, overnight looks likely. We do have some just small 10% rain chances here and there, but pretty much we continue to heat up. Highs are going to be nearing 100 on Tuesday. Very hot conditions, and humidity will be here. Forecasted heat index values could be around 110 degrees. I would not be surprised to see heat advisories and maybe even excessive heat warnings as we head throughout this week. But as you can see, mostly sunny to sunny skies. Very hot conditions. Forecasted highs going to be in the hundreds throughout most of this week across the area. Upper 90s, nearing 100 degrees, and in the hundreds across portions of the area. Overnight low is going to be in the lower to mid 70s with a 0% chance to 10% chance of some isolated showers here and there for the rest of this time frame and into Sunday. Real quickly, I do want to show you what Futurecast or what the HRRR model is showing for what we could see for rainfall for today and through Tuesday. And this is just one model. Remember, it's one of the many tools that we use to build a forecast. It's not the only tool, so this just helps you get a general idea on what we could potentially see as we progress throughout the rest of the day today and into tomorrow. So these rain chances, they're going to kind of continue to linger in this area, and as they move through the area, we head into the overnight hours, maybe some just small isolated chances. And this model is showing maybe the potential for some in the evening and overnight hours to develop and maybe drop some rainfall potentially, but we'll have to watch that. And this goes into overnight Tuesday, and this restarts back for Monday for the day today and into Tuesday. Kind of once again, maybe some isolated showers, but maybe some more in the evening. We'll have to watch that and see what data continues to show. Remember, that's just a small chance. We'll continue to watch it closely and keep you updated with all the newest information right here at your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Have a good rest of your Monday. See you back here tomorrow morning. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to us here on YouTube for all the newest information. We'll have an updated 6-day forecast out tonight as well. And as always, have a good rest of your Monday. And big thanks as always to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, and Tan Energy and Nutrition for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Have a good rest of your Monday. And thank you as always for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.